Hello kids, how are you all? I hope that all are fit and fine at home. Okay, because of the COVID-19, okay, it's happened to learn from by videos classes. Okay, so now we are on the government book. Okay, there is it's for the standard 4th and the subject is EVS. Okay, and it's for the English medium classes section also. Okay, there is a chapter number 9, changing families. Okay, changing the families also. It is on the, it is start from the 64 pages. Okay, 64 number pages there. So it is a changing of families. There is a many changings. Okay, we have family, mostly we live in a joint family. Okay, so there is a families, joint families have many benefits of that. Just like there is a if we join joint family, there is a grandfather, grandmother, there is a uncle, auntie, mother, father, there is our cousins also, okay, brother, sister and so on. So we live in a joint family, so where there is a lots of benefit. Okay, there is a not a special take care of our service. Okay, there is our grandmother, our mother, auntie who is take care of us. Okay, and because of the help of them, we our growth become increase. Okay, very easily and develop very easily. So it's necessary to live in a joint family. Okay, we love each other, we know the value of the love to each other. Okay, respect to each other, we learn at home. Okay, means the school when we go to school to learn many things. Okay, there are many things, but our home, okay, our home house, then we live there, it is our first school. Okay, then we learn many things. Okay, our language, our habits. Okay, and we develop our abilities also. And there is many things. We teach about respect to our parents. We teach help to each other. Okay, we live in a joint family. We learn about sacrifice also. So it's a very benefit to live in a joint family. Okay, and now we can say the mostly small family there, means they can't live in a joint family. Okay, so there is a small family, there is only mother, father, and have their babies also. There is only one baby. So mostly mostly a small family. Okay, father goes to office. Okay, father goes to office and mother also going there, and only baby lives at home because help of the others. Okay, there is a baby caring. Okay, there is baby carer, means it is depend on others. Okay, in a small family we can't learn many things. Okay, we feel like alone. Okay, every day we feel like alone, and our development not increase like joint family. Okay, so it's a benefits to live in a joint family. Okay, so there is some characters here in the chapter number 9, changing families. There is some character who tell about their changing in families. Okay, there the first name is Kiran's tale. Okay, Kiran's tale. What happened? There is a new baby sister of her. Okay, she has a new baby sister come at home. Okay, the family situation and the timing also changing there. Okay, when the new baby come there, so mostly the mother's time caring of this baby. Okay, so it's a changing of time also, changing of of situation also. Okay, and she's Kiran is a elder sister, so she is busy to play with her sister, to caring of her sister, and to teach her sister. So because of that, okay, it's a changing of families. When she was she was only one, that she feel alone, but now she has a one sister, okay, so one baby sister. So she feel happy. Okay, wow, I have my sister. Okay, yeah, she play with her, she feed to her, she playing with her. So because of this situation, she feel very good. Okay, now the situation is changing. Okay, the family is changing. So now second is the Sumi's tale. Sumi's tale about her father's transfer to another city. Okay, Sumi's father was a government job. He has a government job, and because of the job there is a transfer, promotions and transfer also. So they don't like to go any new place. Okay, so they don't like to go any new school. They don't like to make a new friends. But she want to do it. Why? Because of her father's transfer. Okay, because of her father's transfer. So his father is the main person of his family. So because of him, the many means the whole family transferred to other city. Okay, when his father's job. So it's a situation. It's a situation that happened to Sumi's tale. Okay, it's a very bad situation to go another city. Okay, new city. There's a new friends, new persons, new things. All are new things. Okay, so it's a changing of families also. The situation. Now the Deepali's tale. Deepali's tale. Her elder cousin brothers is getting married. Okay, her elder cousin brother is getting married. Means the elder brother getting married. Because of marriage, there is a one person who come in, added in her family. Okay, added in her family, means her bhabhi. Okay, because of the marriage, the situation of home means there is a lots of variety. There is a all person are busy in this ceremony. Okay, they are busy. They enjoying the marriage. Okay, they enjoying the marriage, and there is a many situation to pass by there. Okay, so because of her bhabis coming in, add in her family, it's make a very delightful atmosphere there. Why? Because her bhabhi, they newly married couple. So they live there. Okay, Dipali who talk with her bhabhi, who share with her bhabis some stories, some tales. Okay, so it's she help her to in many works. So it's a good things. Okay, to share many things. Means the situation of her family is different. Okay, there is a 1, 2 and 3. There is a Kiran's tale. Okay, there is a new baby sister, so they feel happy. Okay, then the Sumi's tale, her father's transfer in other city. Means they are not happy. Okay, and the Dipali's tale, there is a one more person added in her family, so she is also happy. Okay, so it's a family changing. Okay, it's a family changing. It's a happen. Okay, it's a happen in a situation, like a situation. So because of them, it's a happen in many changing of family. Okay, those you can see in this chapter. Okay, there is only picture and the tell about the what is the situation, what is the situation of this type of situation. So now we can read at home and learn about this, what is a family changing, what is the changing of family in many ways. Okay, now, okay, this chapter is over. Then we are on the chapter number 10. It's a kabaddi, kabaddi, kabaddi. Okay, means it's a kabaddi, kabaddi. The name of it's a chapter. We know about the game of kabaddi. Okay, we play many plays just like cricket, volleyball, football. Okay, hockey. Okay, many things. So we can play in a outside, means the outdoor game. Okay, we can play in a ground. Okay, and we can play in a team, with a team. So it's a kabaddi, kabaddi and kabaddi. It's a chapter. Okay, there is many things. Okay, kabaddi, kabaddi and kabaddi. Many people know about this game, the rules of this. Okay, what is the rules of this? It is the story of Shyamli. Okay, Shyamli, who was the girl with play with her group. Okay, and she's going to outside out group. Okay, and continue tell kabaddi, 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 kabaddi. But she is very strong. Okay, and she touched the many players and go back to the middle line of this ground and to touch that. So she want to touch that, but the players of other group they tied to her. Okay, and cannot reach and can't reach to her to cross this line. Okay, so because of they trying to catch her. Okay, and some is holding her hand, some is holding her legs, some is holding the waist. Okay, so because of this they can't she can't go to the touch this line, but it's a continue to talk. Okay, without breathing, kabaddi, kabaddi, kabaddi. Some says hutu tu 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 tu. Okay, so there is a many words you can say that there is a kabaddi, kabaddi, kabaddi continue, means you can't breathe, you can't stop there. Okay, kabaddi, 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 and touch this line. Okay, and touch this line. So Shyamli tried to waste and touch this middle line. So because he is touching this line, the whole players who tie her, they are out. Okay, they are out. So the other means others group of leader argued, no, it is not good, it's not you breathe in between the game, so you are out. Okay, they are not out. So it's an argument. Okay, it's an argument, means because of it is a game like that, so there is a argument also. Okay, and there is a rules also. So because of kabaddi, 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 this game, it's a very good game. Okay, to play. Okay, so there is a many person of this story. There is a Karnab Malleshwari, Sarita Gaikwad, and the story of Jwala, Leela and Hira. Okay, so there is it is a story, but first there is who is the woman of our country, who is the who has the passion of the game. Okay, now we can see about the Karnam Malleshwari. Who is the weightlifter. Okay, Andhra Pradesh. Okay, which is the lady, one of the lady Karnam Malleshwari, the weightlifter, and the who was born in Andhra Pradesh, and he started weightlifting from the 12 years old. When she was 12 years old, he started the weightlifter. Okay, and she's from Andhra Pradesh, and started when she was 12 years old. Then he started the weightlifting. Okay, and doing many exercise. Okay, and many rules of them. So follow the many rules of them. Then now she can lift a 130 kilogram weight. Okay, now she can lift a 130 kilogram weight. Okay, so because of her, she is from our country. Okay, our country is India. So she is one of the Karnam Malleshwari. Okay, now she has 29 medals of international events. Okay, she attained the international events from our countries. Okay, from our countries India, and then she achieved 29 medals of the international events. So because 29 medals of international event. Okay, it's a great achievement to our country. Okay, we proud of her. Okay, Karnam Malleshwari, we proud of her. She has a 29 international events medal. Okay, so it's a very good. Okay, so become like her. Okay, become like her. Karnam Malleshwari is one of the best weightlifter to our country. Okay, then after we are on the next is the Sarita Gaikwad. Okay, Sarita Gaikwad, who's born in Kardiamba, which is the town of Dang district. Okay, Dang district, and it is Dang is in a state of Gujarat. Okay, it's Sarita Gaikwad, and her born the 1st June of 1994, and he won a gold medal in which game, means the 400-meter running race. Okay, she complete a 400-meter running race. Okay, so because of her achievement, she achieved a gold medal. Okay, she is a girl. She is a girl from our country. Okay, in a Dang district, and which is come in a Gujarat state. So she achieved a gold medal for the 400-meter running race, and it is in 2018 Asian Games. Okay, he achieved a gold medal in 2018 in Asian Games. So, and because of her achievement, it is a brand ambassador. The government to our state decide to. She is a brand ambassador of Beti Bachao Abhiyan. Okay, she is a brand ambassador of Beti Bachao Abhiyan. Okay, and her parents are busy in their farming, and she achieved a gold medal in a 400-meter running race in 2018 in Asian Games. Okay, it's a very good achievement to Sarita Gaikwad. Okay. Now in this chapter we see there is a story of Jwala, Leela and Hira. Okay, it's the story of Jwala, Leela and Hira. So because Jwala, Leela and Hira, it's the story of we can see on the page number that there is in this chapter we can see the picture of this Jwala, Leela and Hira. You see, first of all you see, oh, it's a picture of the grandmas. See, when she was younger, then she play a kabaddi. Okay, it's she play a kabaddi. It's a very great achievement to Jwala, Leela and Hira. See, they are now lived in Maharashtra, but when they are small, her father going to die, and her mother and two uncles, just Miss Mama, okay, two mamas who in who encourage them to play this game, kabaddi. Okay, in this time, okay, now they are become elders, okay, aged, but at that time women not allowed to play any game. Means it's a game of boys mostly. Kabaddi is the games of male person, okay, mostly. So because of this game, okay, not allowed. When they become a younger, it's not good to play. They think that, okay, they think that they thought that it's not good to play this game, kabaddi, because of the game. See, we are like boys, it's a boys game, and see, we are like boys types of clothes, so then it's not allowed. But the family of Jwala, Leela and Hira supported her to play this game. Their mama also increase the love of this game, okay, help to them. So because of them, Jwala, Leela and Hira is a good player in a kabaddi, okay. At that time, the mostly the parents, our society also thought that girls not allow this game, okay, girls not going to school. So at that time, Jwala, Leela and Hira was a great achievement in a kabaddi player, okay. So it's a story of one of the game. It's a story of the whose woman who because without any facility, okay, it's a not take achievement to with a facility. If you have a facility, then you can do it. No, okay. Karnam Malleswari, who has not facilities, okay, and Sarita's Gaikwad, parents also a farmer, so they have no also facility. And the Jwala, Leela and Hira, they have no father, means they have many problems. They face many problems, just like many situations they face. But the support of their family and because of their love to play their game, so they achieve this goal, okay, and they feel proud of our country, okay. So in this chapter we learn about this woman, okay, who is the great, who is be proud of on them, okay. So we can if we have any ability, then we can also do something, okay. And it's not necessary to we have a facility, we have some so because of them we can do anything, okay. So now this chapter is also over, okay. We can read and learn at home, okay. Now thank you.